Welcome back to my channel. It is still Vlogmas, so you know what that means. A lot has happened and went on that was traumatic. I'll talk about that later on in life, but right now we're about to have a good night. 18. Wow, yeah, it's the 18th. I know, Vlogmas 18. Yeah, it's been a minute, y'all. Yeah. But thank you for all the new subscribers. I'm excited to have you guys as our family. And yeah, we're finna go and view lights, so come on with us.
Hey guys,
I'm super excited.
Look,
bye, baby.
My brother got a laptop, but you play with this inside the car. And look, yeah. I got my iPad on. Hey guys.
The boys want to say hi, you guys.
Hi, mommy's about to zip this up.
Yep, I sure am.
Come on, guys.
So we about to have a good night. Ooh, it's all up in my face. I pulled out the 10K purse, the 10,000.
This is a Raptor. Hey, Bark Rangers, I love you.
You're so cute. Got a 10K purse, and you know it's gonna be a special night. I'm excited. So yeah, see y'all at the lights. Woo! It is so cold out here. Okay, y'all.
We're at here. We're Ben and our dad.
We are following you. Oh, okay, so we just parked and then now we're walking up to Christmas lights. The line was like super freaking long. So I was like, no, I'm not doing all that. It's so cold right now. I'm freezing. This ain't even comfortable. Like my jumpsuit is literally feels like my skin. So the things I'll do for fashion.
Guys, look at that.
Oh, I see. Yeah. The smoke's coming out of it. Here, hold my hand, Ben. We are following you, baby. Blake, what kind of moon is that, babe? Third quarter? First quarter?
I don't know. A third quarter moon, I think.
Oh, okay.
Follow me, Mom.
Oh yeah, we're following you, all right. Ben thinks he knows everything since he's been here before last week. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Come on. Choose us. Oh yeah, come here, Ben.
Wow.
Yeah, that line was too long. We're gonna have to walk through. Whew.
Hey guys,
so nice. Hi.
So coming.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This is so nice. This is so nice. Where?
Right there.
Oh, it is. That's so cool. It's like a carousel. Ooh, I'm cold. I do not like the cold. It's just like hella uncomfortable. Are you guys excited? Okay.
Wow, look at this. There's even so many rides.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
So many places.
Ben, just walk straight before you fall. Come on.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na na.
I don't know if you guys can see me, so we had to get off the street since the carriages are coming. This is so beautiful. Wow. It's so cold. Look at that Ferris wheel. Gorgeous. Aww. Feels so peaceful being here in it. Positive vibes. Nice. And there goes the boys.
Guys, catch up.
They're saying for us to catch up. Look at that. Look how long it goes. Wow.
Guys, I never rode the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. Well, no, you have actually at Six Flags. So I rode it with you. Ben! This boy, I gotta tell him we can't ride it. Come on. Alright, boys. Here, I'm gonna take pictures of you guys in front of it.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me. Yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
There goes the carriage. My gloves isn't letting me zoom. There we go. Look at the carriage.
Mommy, look.
What, babe? Oh, there's an ice skating ring.
Come on.
Super cool. No, you guys aren't ready to ice skate. Come on.
Merry Christmas and happy
Look at that, so pretty. It's so romantic. I love it. That bridge is gorgeous. Nice. Let's go this way. I love how this place is free to come here. So nice. It was an hour away, but it was definitely worth it. Go straight, boys. Go straight. Say, excuse us. Excuse us. Sorry. You're good. Thank you. Look at the water. Yeah, everybody wants to go in there. I want to go in there. It's too long of a line, though. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. No way. That is so nice. Hey, Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So nice. And I guess there's something for y'all to balance on. They were asking me earlier for something to balance on.
What good does doing faster do?
We won't go until we get some. Won't go until we get some. Come on, boys. All right, boys. There you go. fun. We just took some pictures right here. And it's so beautiful out here. It's like crazy that you can only see it at nighttime. Come on, boys. Come on, Ben. Ben, did you really want to take pictures in front of this? Okay. Oh, Benny. All right, all right. That's cute, boys. Let's go. So pretty out here. If the boys were old enough, I'd let them ride rides, but since they can't, then yeah, we're just enjoying the lights and taking pictures and such. I wanted to buy them food, but we just had ate a few hours ago, so I'm not hungry. Be careful. He's got a lot of plugins. Yeah. I feel like I'm getting sick. Of course. Sweet. The Christmas tree. Come on, boys. No. Okay, so we found a place for hot chocolate, cinnamon rolls, cake tacos, and cookies, but the line's like super long. So we're gonna see. There's the ice skating rink. Oh, it's so cold. The boys are just playing. I'm just enjoying the view. Literally, I am the view. I thought of that meme TikTok thing.
Only if I get up there. Can someone put me up there?
No! Come on, boys. Let's go. I told you not to run.
Luckily you had that hat on, boy.
See?
Yeah.
I told you, buddy.
Your hat
Stand on
saves
up.
your life. Saves your forehead.
Right. Wipe it off. Come on. I said no more running. I said run for a short minute.
I kept telling you, buddy, quit running.
You alright?
See what happened to him?
You okay? Okay. You get it in your eyes?
I know you did.
That's why you listen. That's what happens when you don't listen. You don't get
I did not hear you.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just go with that.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we'll just go with that one.
Like I felt a burn coming up that hill.
Okay, so we just made it back home. Woo. Yeah, it was really far. It was an hour away. Ouch. And yeah, I'm just glad to be home in the warmth because it was like really, really cold.
We was tired. We was cold.
Yeah.
And my leg
I'm glad
was
we
sleeping,
went.
so
It
I
was
could
fun.
not walk.
Yeah, your leg was sleeping, baby. But yeah, we had fun.
My leg is
So thanks for
tired.
watching. Your legs watching, buddy? Or wait, I said your legs watching. I'm tired. Super tired. But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah. Do you have anything else to say?
Use cosmetic.
You're so sweet, baby.
And guys, we're watching Ryan on the Sue's iPad.
Yeah, babe. What, Ben? What you doing to my phone? You plugged it in for me?
Come out.
Here, cookies. Oh, give it to the iPad? No, we're not gonna do that right now. Anyways, thank you guys again.
Die.
Thank you guys again for watching, and see you on the next video.
Bye.
Adios, amigos.